LEDCO was founded in 2010 and operates in the lighting sector with a strong specialization in linear lighting solutions. We are active as a research, development, production and sales center in Italy, Europe and Asia. We have highly qualified technical and commercial offices able to manage national and foreign customers. Our products are certified by authorized laboratories such as TUV, UL, FCC, BLM, and comply with European and US safety and operating regulations. Our production facility includes fully automated SMT assembly and resin coating lines located in our Italian and foreign headquarters. We have Fujitsu and Panasonic high-speed production lines, double-head welders and resin machines used by a specialized team, with a monthly production of about 50,000 meters of LED strips. The reliability of our products means that every day, customers in Italy and Europe choose LEDCO as their partner. We carry out quality tests several times for each item made, such as welding tests, vibration tests, aging tests, mechanical strength tests, and final testing for each product. Our sales representatives are at your disposal for each European country. In Italy, a team of professional agents is present in every region. LEDCO, Professional Linear Lighting Solutions.